Top 10 Unsolved Mysteries of the World. Number 2. Taos. In the small town of Taos, New Mexico, something strange has been happening for decades. A low, constant humming sound, deep, mechanical, and impossible to ignore. Only a small number of people can hear it, but for them, it causes headaches, nausea, and sleepless nights. Scientists searched for answers, military tests, underground machines, even earthquakes, but nothing explains it. No recordings, no clear source. Some believe it's infrasound, others blame secret technology, and some think it's something not meant to be heard. To this day, the Taos hum remains unexplained. Can you hear it? Or are you lucky?